It's very, or kids in public schools. Again, kind of like it used to happen, it's back again. Kids are telling me, the kids are calling other Muslim kids terrorists in the schools. Now, what do you do with that? I have few small suggestions, because in this country, things can be misunderstood very easily. If you say, no, I don't condemn this group, this means you're siding with terror, because some of these groups like Hamas is labeled recognized terror group by this country for right or wrong reasons, but that's what it is. Now, you do accept that our Islam, you have to admit that Islam teaches us that we do not harm civilians. Start with that. Yes,